Hey guys, welcome to another video today on Yusuf Onobekun's YouTube channel where we talk about business marketing and advertising. And for the past couple of days, we've been talking about various businesses you can start online, you can tap into without having to break the bank or without having to dedicate 24 hours to it before you start making good income. Now, on today, we'll be talking about another special business you can start with, and I'm also going to be recommending a personally used guide that has helped me to get started with this business. And without much wasting of our time, what business are we talking about? We're talking about Amazon KDP, Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, self-publishing, which is self-published ebooks and paperback for free with Kindle Direct Publishing and reach millions of readers on Amazon. Yes, you can go into YouTube, go into Google and start making research personally for yourself. And you can see that this business has been in ground for the past 14 years, which can serve as part of the basis for people to be able to share their stories, share their wealth of knowledge on platforms. Now, let me show you an example of what Amazon KDP look like. In case you want to see examples of people that have written stuff on Amazon KDP that you can also use. Now, when we click on when you come to this side, you can easily come here and you see something like Kindle. Yes, this is Amazon KDP. This is Kindle books, let's say Kindle books. So that's just it. So this allow people to be able to write their books on various and people to be able to use it. As you can see, this they are available on Kindle for people to read. So now imagine having on this platform over like 20 to 30 books written by you that make you good solid money, either you are awake, either you are asleep, and even when you are flexing in another continent or in another state within Nigeria. Now, why do you want to do with this one? This is something you already have. The knowledge you have, the knowledge you think is not fully formed, ideas you can share, opinions that people can learn from. This is the reason why you want to tap into it. Now, how much has KDP? How much can you make with KDP? Now you can see they say you can make as low as $1.90 per sale from KDP, selling a 120-page paperback, while you can make as much as 1,000 plus per month from top 20 books every single time that you make sales per day. Now imagine being able to just key into this session of KDP into it. Now let's go back up. There is limitless number of books that you can get on. Now see the various categories that we have on this Kindle. See the various categories. This is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Like this is over 20 categories in Kindle that you can write about. But now, yes, you can write about so many of these, but writing about so many of this is not the issue. But being able to make massive amount of sales that is going to impress you and that you're going to benefit more from, that's the basis why you want to write. Now, if you like my previous video that I always encourage you to what I always encourage you, pick a mentor that is going to show you the ropes, that have passed through all the trials and errors, and it's just going to give you lay down plan strategy that made it successful for them. Now, in lieu of that, I came across this wonderful guide that makes me get started with my KDP, and so far so good. It has been going well for me. The name of the guide is the Auto Book Pay Method Program, whereby you are shown how to make monthly salary without having to work any fucking time or period. You just need to work initially and you make repeated money from it. Now, to hear from the horse's mouth himself, he said, what does it entails? The name of the program is Auto Book Pay Method, ABPM. Now, what does it entail? It entails you being able to publish books in various formats. I'm trying to move so that you can, and the name of the person is Tony Fortizo. He's a very seasoned copywriter, and he's bringing his expertise in not just copywriting but also in the game of Kindle publishing to 4 years, and whereby you can benefit immensely from this program. Now, what else is he going to teach you aside just what KDP is about? It's going to show you how you can earn money month after month, year after year, non-stop. Yes, you heard that very right. Without having to have any break in transmission, no ASU on strike, no COVID and the likes, because this is something you can start from anywhere within the country. And how often do you need to get started with? So it's a unique method that you can easily use, that the book will sell themselves, which is it's going to show you a unique method that will make you to write books that are going to auto sell themselves. You don't need to do any ad selling. Just the only thing is just write the books and sell and put it out there. And the system, the way it's going to teach you how to write the books, is going to make the book sell for them. No writing required. This is a different method that does that, no writing is required for you. And also it's going to be another unique free method that you can get started with. Now moving forward, it's going to show you the secret sauce of how you can keep earning money month after month, year after year, without having to overstress yourself. Now, to not waste much of our time, what he said, as long as you can read, you are able to do this program. As much as you are watching this video, you are listening to me, you've read the description of my video, you should be able to get started in this program. So now moving forward, aside is just going to show you how to upload your books, and that's it. You can go and relax somewhere and be earning money month after month, year after year, without having to stress yourself with anything. These are the people that can do it. Are you a novice? Are you a newbie? Or you don't even have an idea how to write at all? These are the people that can get into this program. Now, definitely you would have seen various people trying to push this same concept. But like I always say, I work with the best in the game. I work with those that I know I can vouch for, that I've seen their work, I've tasted from their wealth of knowledge, to be able to gain out of the whole awesome knowledge that they have to offer in any particular market or business that I've been talking about for the past couple of days on my channel. Now, this is a lifetime salary of she is now sharing the testimony of someone that made um a lifetime salary. You don't have to write the book yourself now. And imagine, she just wrote 18 books. She don't like they used, and that was it. Surprise, surprise! Now she checked her profile, and this is what it looks like. Imagine she hand this my chart is kind of, let me just
an autopilot free.
as you can see, salary for just 1 month, October 2020. See the amount the person made, and this is just 1 month. How much is the basic salary in Nigeria? It's under 30,000. It's 30,000, and some are still not paying that 30,000 naira. Now, just being able to make this in a month, which is like the worst case scenario for someone that just done. Now, the for the earnings of December, that's 39. Worst case scenario, another one, November, 42,000. So we've seen 50, 40, and 30 something. That's like 100 plus in a span of 90 days. Now, when you move further, it's going to show, as you can see, the average revenue that you can make with this. Now, it's not just going to show you how to just copy and paste from people, still from those 18 books, you understand? So you have to put in the work. You must be ready to put in the work, but the work is going to give you an awesome result if you can just follow through with this guide that shows you from newbie to a professional. Now, this is this is another person who is a teacher, and now he is doing very well from it. See what a teacher, we know how crazy the work of a teacher is, and how shocking their salaries as well. Imagine being able to do this, as you can see. Like, now see this. Now tell me why somebody seeing all this and you don't want to come onto it. You just need to like use the link below, go and watch in details what he has to offer for you, and I will tell you categorically that what this man is sharing in this course, no one in this industry of Amazon KDP has shared it. This is not a copy paste that is going to get your Amazon account flagged, because I've been hearing rumors whereby people just copy paste, change one or two lines and using paraphrasing. No, this is ultimate one that you want to gain access to, and you want to be able to milk, so that you can be able to make a lifetime result on this. So 50,000 naira is not something that is going to make you millions and millions of naira. So as not to waste much of your time, I'm talking too much. Go read, click on the link, and go and digest what he has to say for you. Thank you, and see you in my next video.